Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an outfits of the week video. I'm going to show you guys how I style my graphic tees for 5 days. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not usually a graphic tee kind of gal, but I've been getting into it recently. So I'm very excited to bring you guys this video, and everything will be linked in the description box below as always. So let's just go ahead and get in. Okay, so I look like a legit like 80s girl or something. I don't really know. It's not usually my vibe, but I've been really digging this hairstyle, so what can you do? So for today I am wearing this set. This set is a vintage piece that I picked up. Sorry about my plant as well. We won't get into that though. But this set is from a vintage store in Nashville. I can never remember what it was called. It was like Hip Zip Vintage or something. I don't know. It's in 5 Points in East Nashville. And I swooped it real quick. I saw it on their Instagram and I was just like, that is everything I didn't know I needed in my life. So it's just got this western fringe on it, and then pants are a little loose, and then I'm wearing some earrings. These are from H&M. They're actually really light, which I really like about that. And then simple jewelry. I'm only wearing my S necklace from Amazon, and underneath I'm wearing this Made-Worn t-shirt. This Made-Worn t-shirt is seriously so cute. It's from the Rolling Stones. Like, they're super expensive t-shirts. I don't know why, but they're really soft and such cute designs. And I'm just wearing some rings, and you guys check out this manicure. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with myself. I did that myself. I'd wear normal sneakers with this. I just didn't realize I didn't have any shoes on. Then for my bag, I'm just using my cute little crossbody miniature Louis Vuitton, yeah, relaxing Monday outfit. Yay. It's clearly, we're clearly in the process of doing our laundry right now, so that's Cody's stuff behind us, but I still want to show you guys this outfit because honestly, I put this one together, like it was all just conveniently sitting next to each other by the door of our house, basically, that I unboxed, and I was just going somewhere and I just threw it all together and it worked. So here it is. This is this thrifted Led Zeppelin t-shirt that I got for $1. I am 110% shook by this. It's pretty impressive. And what I love to do for t-shirts that are like oversized, or honestly if I'm just trying to make it look a little bit more girly and less t-shirty, I guess, is I like to roll the sleeves, as you've seen before in this video. Honestly, I'm very impressed with myself that this was $1 at the thrift store because tie-dye is so in right now, so I was really hyped about that. I'm wearing my typical Amazon necklace, this new Vanessa Mooney necklace that I got from Poshmark, and this bracelet I also got from Poshmark. For my jeans, I'm wearing these new Girlfriend denim jeans I got this month from Revolve, and these are super duper comfortable. Girlfriend denim is my favorite denim jean. They're just so flattering. These ones, I was afraid like they were gonna run oversized, but they didn't. So this one, true to size, amazing. For shoes, I'm wearing these very unfortunate looking sandals my mom liked to point out. They remind me of like what I wore in college, which were the Chacos. Yeah, I wore those to class all the time. But these are from ASOS and they are so comfortable. And I mean, they're not exactly supposed to be cute. I think they're cute. My mom thinks they're ugly. That's okay. They're just like on trend right now, and I mean, who doesn't love a comfortable sandal? This belt is new from Below the Belt. It's zebra. I'm obsessed. I'm honestly just trying to be a little bit more adventurous with my outfits because I don't want to be just another person wearing the exact same thing, if that makes sense. Yeah, so let me know how I'm doing. And you guys are going to get the peep at my new bag before anyone else does. I haven't even showed it on Instagram yet. But I got this Chloe C bag recently. I bought it from Matches Fashion, basically because it's cheaper on there, and also you can use a discount code if you're using it for the first time. I saw this on Sincerely Jules at Coachella and I was just like, yep. Like, this is just like my aesthetic. Like, the coloring is just so like boho, summertime. I'm obsessed. That's my outfit. This one was a little bit longer to explain, but I really, really like it. Now this is probably my least, like, how do I say this? Probably the biggest step out of my comfort zone quite possibly ever. I wouldn't consider myself like one to jump on like the trends or even give it a shot if I don't necessarily like it. But for some reason I was really, really inspired to buy these pair of biker shorts when I was on Another Story's website. I don't know. I loved how they were different than just like the simple ones that everyone else is wearing, and they looked comfortable, and I knew exactly when I saw them how I wanted to style it. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll just give it a shot. So I'm really happy I did buy them. They are a little bit more expensive for cycling shorts, but I think they're really, really fun. I'm pairing it with this Harley Davidson t-shirt that I got for $5 at the flea market, which I think is just insane. I really lucked out with this one. I go to the Nashville flea market every few times a year. I'm wearing the same necklaces as before. Cute. And then here are the pants, and I can't believe I'm wearing cycling shorts, honestly. Like, I never thought I would try them out because I was not into it, but when I found these ones on And Other Stories, I was like, yes, I need to try them out because I don't know, I just think they're different than what everyone else is wearing, which is basically my style. Like, I like trying things that everyone else is trying, but I like to do it just like a little bit differently. You can ask my mom, she'll confirm that for you guys if you want. So I tried these ones. These are from And Other Stories. They go really well together. I don't know how I thought about pairing these two together and just like knew, but I did, and I'm really happy about it. And then I'm wearing these shoes that Cody actually got me in Sweden, which was so sweet of him. He went to the And Other Stories when he was out of town and picked these up, and I'm obsessed with them. Yeah, they're like little kitten-heeled sandals. I wasn't into the kitten heel thing, but I think these look pretty much just like any other sandal. And I like that I can show off my leg. I don't know, I just like my legs. Is that bad? I don't know. Most out of my comfort zone, but also one of my favorites, so yeah. Okay, so here is my next outfit. This one is a little bit more on the bohemian side, as you can see. I really, really love a bohemian outfit, embracing it. It's so much fun. This is my skirt from Coachella. I love it. It's a Spell Gypsy Collective skirt that I bought on Free People, but you can find dupes for these kind of skirts on Amazon and places like that, so I'll be doing my best to link stuff like that in the description box for you guys because these are expensive. I'm wearing my Maid Worn t-shirt because I kind of like how these look when they're rolled. It fits oversized, which I really, really like. And then I'm just wearing my Vanessa Mooney necklace and my Amazon S necklace. This Free People belt, this Chloe bag that I've had for a long time. And then I'm wearing my Free People shoes, which I love. I've had these for years and they're just one of my favorites. You can find dupes for these shoes on Amazon as well, so I will link some in the description box for you guys. I love them. That is the outfit. Super cute, bohemian, fun, good like errands or brunch outfit, am I right? Also, for my earrings, I just have these little hoops in from Forever 21. And then here's my rings, or my necklaces. No rings because I'm not bougie, guys. Okay, now the next outfit I have is wearing your t-shirt like a dress, basically buying an oversized t-shirt. Typically I would go for like an extra large or 2XL because I am pretty tall. I'm 5'8", and belt it that way. So fun fact about this t-shirt. This t-shirt is a 5XL. Yeah. I bought this as a sleeper shirt when I was at the flea market. It was like $5, and it's a Pink Floyd t-shirt. Really, really worn in and just really, really comfortable. Threw on this Ralph Lauren denim shirt that I bought from the thrift store. That's an extra large as well. I get a lot of questions about this one. This one's, yeah, from the thrift store. I can't believe like how perfectly it fits. For my bag, I have this Chloe bag. You guys know I love this Chloe bag. It's so cute and it just kind of looks perfect. So this belt's kind of hard to show you guys, but this belt is a below the belt and I love this. I bought it, or I got it from a PR showroom in LA, and it's this literally my favorite thing ever. It's so big, but I love that, and I think that this kind of outfit kind of works with a big ginormous belt like that, in my opinion at least. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute and very cozy. Definitely like a good shopping outfit. I'm just wearing my typical Adidas shoes that I always wear that I need to get rid of because they're disgusting, but they're the most comfortable shoes in my entire life, so probably not gonna get rid of them anytime soon. I don't know, I love this. It's really, really cute. So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye!